What about live trading? Because I know on the site there in the back office it's got coming soon. When is that likely to be put onto the site? Do you know?
January.
In Jan.
End of December, January. For sure, first quarter of next year.
Okay.
But what do you expect live trading to do?
But the people that I want to bring in, they want to say, look, we want to see some proof of trade. Well, I said to them, you know, we're not going to be able to see into company accounts and see how robots or our traders are doing, but they want to see that there's something to do with trading history. So you can say, look, there was this amount of Bitcoin bought, this amount was sold.
The thing that bothers me about the name of it actually is that when you say live trading, you expect to see all the trades happening in real time. That's what live trading means, right?
Yeah.
And so I think it's slightly misnomered within it, but what it's going to be is exactly what you just said, is this transactional history that people can go in and easily see what the bots are doing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But it's not going to give live...
Of course, I've realised that, because obviously people then can copy it. But the other thing is that... are you, because at the moment it's all centralised, it's all are you going to be doing any DEX trading at all?
Oh, yeah.
We'll be able to see blockchain activity?
We're making our own DEX.
Yeah.
So from a trading standpoint, you'll be able to use our DEX or our SEX.
Mm-hmm.
But your question is different than I think. Your question is, are we using DEXs to trade on? Is that what you're asking me?
Yeah. Are you going to be using DEXs to trade on, so that we can see blockchain activity of past?
Well, we use DEXs, but we won't necessarily point all eyes to which wallet it is, right?
Yeah.
So secure.
Yeah. So I would say we do use them, and we will continue to use them. But will that be something that is used as a transparency card? I don't think so.
Welcome, everyone. In this video, you're going to see real proof of trading results from AURUM's automated trading system. You'll see the live trading history, profits generated, and how the clusters manage multiple pairs automatically. This account was first funded on March 10th with an initial deposit of $1 million. As you can see here, this is the verified funding record directly from the exchange. Since that date, the account has been managed entirely by AURUM's B-cluster technology, which automates all buying and selling activity using K-based technical indicators to identify trading opportunities in real time. Over the past 3 months, the system has generated consistent profits, averaging between 10% and 15% per month, resulting in a total gain of around 35%. That's a clear demonstration of steady growth, powered purely by automation. The B-cluster trades across approximately 15 cryptocurrency pairs, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, Ripple, Litecoin, Chainlink, Cardano, Tron, BNB, and others. Each pair is analyzed and traded independently based on market data and technical conditions, ensuring balanced exposure and diversified profit generation. Here you can see the full order history, where every trade, buy and sell, is recorded transparently. These are all real transactions, executed automatically by the system. No manual trading is involved, everything is handled by AURUM's AI bot. Now, let's take a look at another account that's been running for a longer period. This account was originally funded in January 2023 with $1.5 million, and only one withdrawal was made in May 2024. Since then, the balance has grown significantly, reaching around $10 million. That's an incredible example of what long-term automation can be achieved with AURUM. Here's the spot order history, showing trades from the last 6 months. You can see active trading in assets such as XRP, Toncoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. The strategy runs continuously, optimizing entries and exits using real-time market data. Every trade is time-stamped and verifiable directly from the exchange, proving these are genuine live results. AURUM's AI-driven B-cluster is a fully automated trading system that combines advanced technical analysis with live execution across multiple exchanges. It's transparent, consistent, and built for real performance, not back-testing or simulation. This is what real proof of trading looks like. This is AURUM, the future of intelligent automated trading.
Did you know that in the world of investments, it's important not only to earn but also to preserve your assets? AURUM is not just a platform, it's an entire ecosystem that combines advanced financial tools with reliable data protection. We are your personal financial mentor, where security and innovation go hand in hand. With AURUM, you gain access to a unique ecosystem, including a non-custodial Web 3.0 wallet, the AI Trader EX system for automated trading powered by artificial intelligence, and analytics to support your investments every step of the way. AURUM is not only about trading convenience, but also about multi-layered asset protection, thanks to cutting-edge encryption technologies and security protocols. Join our community, create an account, top up your balance, and start earning with AURUM today. After all, your investments deserve the best. AURUM, an ecosystem leading you to a stable and secure future.